Hi, my name is Margaret DeWitt. I'm a Stampin' Up! Independent demonstrator. Today I'm going to show you a simple little thing to add to your cards, which is paper piercing. What you need is a mat pack, which is a great handy tool. It comes with a self-healing mat with a little grid on it that gives you inch dimensions. It comes with a foam pad, and it comes with a paper piercing mat that gives you a bunch of different size holes that you can use to line up. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your cardstock. I've cut a piece here 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. I'm going to be making a little mini thank you card. I'm going to lay my paper on my mat pack, and then on the paper piercing grid here, it has very fine holes. I like to use these holes, and what I do is I line up the black line here along 2 edges of my cardstock, and that will help keep me lined up, and then I just pierce however many holes I want in the corner. So I go ahead and lay that over top. I've got this black line lined up, and I've got this black line lined up, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start from the corner, and I'm going to pierce 7 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do 7 this way. I'm going to go in 2, and I'm going to do 5. Sorry, that's actually 4. And I'm just going to pierce 1 in the center there. So what I have now is a fun little paper piercing in the corner of my card. I'm going to do the same to the opposite corner, just to give it a fun look. So I'm using just basically you could use a needle, as long as it's super pointy, you should be fine. 2, 3. So I've got those done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And 1 in the center. So now I've got opposite corners done, both done equally. And I'm going to leave that card just like that, and I'm going to add my stamp sentiment. So this paper piercing tool, as you saw, it took me just a matter of moments just to add those piercings to the corner. Very quick and easy to do. Adds a great look to your cards. You can use it to do stitching all the way around, just a single line, and make it look like you've sewn the card. So I'm going to ink up my stamp, stamp it in the center. It says, "Thanks for your order." I'm going to go ahead and take my cardstock and grab my adhesive. Which I didn't have prepared at my table. And I'm just going to go ahead and add adhesive to the back. This is the Tombow Snail adhesive. This is fantastic for using on your cards. I always use this. You don't need tons of it, just enough that it's going to hold the card to the base. So there I have a fun little thank you card. Quick and easy, done in 2 minutes for one of my customers. And what I'll likely do is I'll likely go ahead and just add a couple little diamonds to the flowers in the center there, some basic rhinestones, just to make it pop a little more. I hope you enjoyed this edition of paper piercing, and happy piercing!